Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a delicious melon stew. First, let's gather our essentials. Select firm, ripe melons like cantaloupe or honeydew for their sweet and vibrant flavor. You'll also need aromatic vegetables such as fresh onions, garlic, and ginger to form the stew's base. Decide on your protein, perhaps chicken or pork, or a hearty vegetarian option. Finally, gather your favorite spices and herbs to truly elevate the dish's taste. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get them ready. Carefully peel and cube your melon into uniform 1-inch pieces. This ensures even cooking. Next, dice your onions, mince the garlic, and grate the ginger finely to release their full aroma. Cut your chosen protein into bite-sized pieces, roughly 1.5 inches, for easy eating. Finally, measure out your spices, usually about 1 teaspoon of each, to achieve a perfectly balanced flavor profile in your stew. With everything prepped, it's time to cook. Begin by sautéing your aromatics in 2 tablespoons of oil until they become fragrant, which takes about 3 minutes. Then, brown your protein for 5 to 7 minutes before introducing the melon cubes to the pot. Pour in 4 cups of your preferred broth and let it simmer gently for 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the melon to become tender. Finally, stir in fresh herbs during the last 5 minutes for a burst of freshness. Your delicious melon stew is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot, perhaps garnished with some fresh cilantro or mint for an extra touch of flavor and color. This versatile stew pairs wonderfully with steamed rice, fluffy couscous, or even some crusty bread to soak up all the savory juices. Feel free to experiment with different melon types, like watermelon, for unique flavor profiles. Remember, you can always adjust the spice levels to your personal preference, adding a pinch of chili for a little extra kick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.